Good.
Yeah, what's going on?
When?
Okay, so yeah, this is my first time ever using an Arduino, and I got some of the other projects working, and then the instructor gave me a sonar sensor to hook up, and I created a theremin, little mini theremin out of the sonar sensor based on the distance that it measures. It alters the frequency that plays through a piezo.
Let's see it.
All right, here we go.
This is the west end of New Haven. Well, that'd be a bit much for a lunch break. Yeah.
It was somewhere there. I think,
Yeah, okay.
Nice.
I'm not very musical, so I can't play any
You
music.
can't play a song. And that's in the Arduino, which is controlling it.
The Arduino is controlling the sensor, and it's the sketch is creating, basically telling the output to play the same frequency based on the frequency of based on the distance, really.
Yep. Different
It's
frequency.
just a value for the distance, and it's using that as the frequency.
Cool. All right. Thank you.
That really does work.